Here's a sequence. First term is 5, second term is 8, third is 11, and the fourth is 14. Often in the exam you'll be asked to work out what the next term is. Well, the next term is the next number in the sequence. First thing you've got to identify is what it's going up in. Well, this one is going up in 3s. So obviously the next number would be 17. So we could fill that in immediately. Now what they are then going to ask for, because the differences are the same all the way up, this is what's called a linear sequence, so they'll ask for what's called the nth term. So we could just write down nth term. We often write it as t subscript n, or even un. Don't worry too much about the technicality, as long as you be able to write down the formula that you're going to use. And the formula is very, very straightforward to work out for these. You're going to have an n, and in front of that n is the number that you're going up in the sequence. So this time it's 3n. And then the little trick here is to say, well, how do I get from 3 to the first number in the sequence? So how do I get from 3 to 5? I add 2. So the nth term is 3n add 2. I'll do a second one for you to look at. 2, 7, 12, 17, etc. First of all, what's it going up in? Well, from 2 to 7 and from 7 to 12 is both plus 5. So I know my sequence is going to start 5n. How do I get from 5 to the first term of 2? Well, I have to subtract 3. So my nth term is 5n take 3. They might, if you're very unlucky, have sequences going down. If the sequence is going down, let's say this was minus 5, I just put a minus 5 in front. That's linear sequences.